We're here today, and today we're going to be showing you our chicken pen.
Yes. Bok bok.
Ava, grab the chicken. Oh yeah, this is my friend Ava. Ava, say hi.
Call me Daisy Dog, bruh. Hello. My name is Sheldon.
Want to go see the
I'm
chicks?
Sheldon the rooster. Bok bok.
Let's go see the chicks. Oh yeah, and guys, sorry if there's bad quality. This is my first video, and I'm just using my phone to record.
But who doesn't for the first video?
Alright, so here's the chicks. We'll be back once we're holding each our own chick. Alright, Daisy Dog, show us how you get your... Let's see how we get our chicks. Our chicks often go behind and under here because it's really shady and cool. And right now it's summer.
I'm not talking to you, Sheldon.
Emily's coming out.
Oh, there is. I feel something in my hair. Look.
Alright, so guys, these chicks are being really stubborn and are not coming out. So, yeah, let's go jump in the trampoline. Or we could go to the hammock. But first, let's see if these chicks have gotten out. Call me Fire, Scarlet. Daisy Dog.
Oh, yeah. They'll only come out if you leave them alone. Scrub. What did I tell you? What did I just fucking tell you? Did I tell you too?
Oh yeah, and in the description below, I will leave a link to my friend Daisy Dog's channel.
Good. Very good.
Wanna go?
And please, if you watch this video, please subscribe. Because really, we all have this dream of becoming a famous YouTuber.
Yep.
So please,
let's go.
If you watch a YouTuber, then you should subscribe, because you watch the video, and if you enjoyed that, you should probably subscribe. And I've said that to try and say, you will see me act like a monkey and climb up the tree. Get out of the way.
So the hammock's down right now. Hey, Daisy. Mind recording me come up?
Huh?
Can you record me come up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Now we watch the majestic Cassie, only one known in the universe, climb up this great oak that's been here for like 2 days. I'm kidding. And there is a spring patch. And there is a Cassie. And there is a tree. And there is leaves. And that is another leaf.
Stop messing up my video.
There you go. Stop. And now we see her back. She's kind of stiff. Nope. You're crushing the poor leaf. That's not a leaf, that's a branch. I cannot English anymore. She's cracking.
Ow.
I want a cracker.
Hey, let's go see if the chicks are out.
Well, we gotta be quiet and let's go this way.
Yeah. Alright, so now you come on our journey to the chicken coop.
To Neverland. I'm just kidding.
Alright, come on, let's go. Race ya.
No way, don't, please.
Racing to the trampoline. I win. Alright.
I do not care.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
Let's be quiet.
Stay there. Stay there and talk to everybody who's watching while I go in there.
Alright, guys. We're about to go see if we can have the chicks.
Come on, stay right there.
We'll see you once we grab them. I changed my mind. And right now, you're going to watch Ava grab the chicks.
You're not coming out because Sheldon isn't here.
Well, Sheldon. Hi, Sheldon.
Fuck. Come on, let's get you out of the pen. Okay? Deal? Deal. Deal? Deals.
Well, this was a fail. We'll see you guys once we. We'll see you guys once we do something fun. Alright, guys. If you have a chicken and you grab their feet and put them upside down like this and put them behind your back, they will actually calm down and stop flapping.
And this is
not torture.
This is not torture because they don't feel anything because their nerve endings is really soft right here. And this is what the lady told us. We're at the place where we got beautiful Sheldon. And
He just shed.
And if you think this is torture, then talk to her.
Oh yeah, guys, if you have any tips on how we should get our chicks out better, please leave it down in the comments below.
But now,
But we'll see.
but until then, rock on.